Hi, I'm here with Stephen from Gold Coast Airport. I'm just going to ask you a few questions if that's all right.
Of course, yeah.
It's great to see you at the IFCBAA conference. Can I ask what are the main takeaways and what can freight forwarders take from Gold Coast Airport?
Well, for us, we have Menzies and Qantas Freight on Gold Coast Airport, so they've got facilities there. We're interested in sort of growing our freight capacity at Gold Coast Airport. So we've come along to the conference to try and better understand how the whole supply chain works. What I found really interesting today was the drone discussion. It was just amazing that you can effectively have point-to-point delivery from, say, airports to mining sites or airports to building sites. I think that definitely is an opportunity for airports to participate in the whole freight delivery process.
Yeah, absolutely. It's pretty amazing, the drones. It's great to have you on board and helping freight forwarders. I know there's a lot of international flights coming into Gold Coast. How many, and do you project that will grow over the years?
Absolutely. So at the moment we've got about 50 international flights a week. We've just opened a new $350, $400 million international terminal at the Gold Coast. So for Gold Coast Airport, the international destinations is a real target market for us. We want to grow that opportunity, particularly into Asia. So we currently have connections to Japan and Kuala Lumpur and Singapore. And we've got a team at the moment who are going to Korea this week to discuss potential connections back into Seoul as well.
Great, yeah. Thank you so much for your time, Stephen. And Gold Coast has always been one of the favourite airports for many Australians, and I'm sure internationally it's going to boom over the next couple of years. Thank you.
Thanks.